Matter can undergo changes. One of it is chemical change. Chemical changes occurs when bonds are broken and are formed between molecules or atoms. This means that one substance with a certain set of properties, such as melting point, color, taste, or etc., is turned into the different substance with different properties. We can't actually see molecules breaking and forming bonds, although that's what defines chemical changes. We have to make other observations to indicate that a chemical change has happened.
Usually, if you notice bubbles being formed, a changes in color or temperature, development of odor, formation of precipitate or formation of gas, there is a good chance a chemical change has taken place, but not always.
The first one is rusting of nails. Here's the explanation why does nails begin to rust when we place it in water and leave it overnight. Rusting happens when a metal is exposed to oxygen. The rust is actually iron oxide while water has oxygen. The iron of the nail reacts with the oxygen in water, which results rusting. The molecules of iron on the surface of the nail exchange atoms with the oxygen in the water and produce new substance. It is the reddish-brown ferrous oxide, aka rust. Remember, iron plus water plus oxygen equals iron oxide or rust.
The next one is milk curdles. Curds contain lactic acid while milk contains casein protein, and this protein reacts with the lactic acid. Lactic acid breaks the chemical structure or bonds of the milk. That's why new bonds were formed and give rise to a semi-solid of milk called curd. The entire process of reaction between lactic acid and milk involves breaking and forming bonds. Therefore, milk curdles or curdling is an example of chemical change. So kiddos, don't raise your milk. To do that, drink your milk before it turns into milk curdles. Wood burns. The burning of wood leads to the formation of new substances like ash, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, heat, and light. These changes are irreversible. Ash cannot be back into woods. There's a new substance formed, that's why it is a chemical changes. Reminder for kids, don't play with the fire because you might get hurt, and also playing with fire might cause accident. The next is fireworks. Fireworks contains iron and magnesium. When fireworks are burned, they react with the oxygen above and produce ash and smoke. They also release a spectacular heat, light, and noise. They also give out or take in energy such as heat or light because chemical bonds have been broken and made. Hello kiddos, don't use fireworks or any firecrackers in this coming Christmas and New Year. Just watch and use little trumpets instead.
When you cut an apple and leave it, the changes will happen. These changes in apple is caused by chemical around the fruit when oxygen combines with some enzyme of fruit. It can make the fruit to turn brown. So kiddos, make sure you eat your apples before it rottens.